Welcome back. I am Madison, and today we are going to watch Pauly fly. Hello, Pauly. What have you got there?
This is one of my favorites. It's a little ugly stick, electric, and we're gonna take it up.
Okay, let's see it.
Are y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay, going straight out.
Straight out. Whoa!
Kinda straight out.
Looking good now.
And there's a fly in my ear.
Wow, a fly in your ear.
These ugly sticks fly very well. Fly in my mouth.
Flies are nutritious. You are going to need a veil over your whole head. Show us a double gainer with a half twist. That thing flies so nice.
God dang it! Fly landing in my ear.
You are doing a great job considering the number of flies that are buzzing around you.
Fly trying to go in my mouth.
No way. Flies going into your mouth. I bet they taste good. Whoa, look at that. Inverted.
It's fun flying with bugs going in your orifices. Your ears, your nose. Ah! Fly is gonna die. Landing!
Awesome. Thanks for the exciting show. The flying was fun to watch.
Kinda made the runway.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you won't miss the next video. See you then.